Stopping.
Oh, it's all happening.
So, we're off to start the day. We've left the hotel, the Kyle Hotel. This is the last day where we're all riding together. Pete and Tim break off for us in about an hour and a half. They go off back to the van and they're heading south. And then Steve and I tonight go down to Kirkmichael, I think it's called. Then the next day we go down to the Lake District. And then the day after that we get back to Leeds. So last hour and a half riding together as a foursome.
Sun's already trying to come through. Amazing.
Full of RAF.
Good spot. Oh, beautiful vista. Blue skies as well, my word.
Amazing bit of road surface as well.
I think this is Lochy. I think it feeds into Loch Ness.
Is that a joke?
No, I never joke when it comes to locks.
7 minutes left of riding together.
Oh. Hello.
It's great when you come over those hills, isn't it? And you just get a completely different landscape perspective. Oh, there's a little, is that a picture of a cup of tea ahead? The bridge?
That sounds about probably it. Nevis Range. Well, yeah, we must be right near Ben Nevis then.
Oh yeah, you can see some of Ben Nevis.
Where is it? Oh, there.
Under the cloud.
Yes.
Okay, see you guys. Have a good
Bye,
one
guys.
back. Keep us posted.
We've literally suddenly hit like proper civilization again, like retail park.
Costa drive-through. Look, all the civilization.
Traffic. Not seen this for a while either.
Where are we? This is Fort William.
Ah, okay.
I've heard of that. I didn't know idea what it is.
I have also heard of that. It's like the French Riviera.
It is. It's ridiculous. This is completely mad.
A little boat on here would be lovely. Little yacht. Look at that. Take it for a spin. Just set up for tourists, isn't it? All the B&Bs and stuff.
All along this front.
Yeah.
I bet there's plenty of restaurants and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Looks absolutely stunning in the sun, doesn't it? Oh, and left and everywhere.
I'm just trying to imprint this scenic vista into my mind for future reference. That is just sensational.
What is this place?
Oh my word.
Oh, Arnold's going for it.
Look at him go.
Wow, this is a biker's road again. Once again, amazing.
Vista. Look at the road just snaking through it. Just that mountain there, my goodness.
Log Cabin Cafe with stunning views. Should we have lunch?
Yeah, do it.
The closer I get to this, the less
Yes.
log cabin picturesque as it looks. Ooh, no more porter cabin. Oh, do you have to go to the top and eat at the top? Because that's a porter cabin cafe.
Well, we're not going there. Yeah, maybe it's up top.
Oh well.
Oh, a lovely little building site we visited. Nice idea. Didn't pan out.
Wow.
Lunch spots?
Yeah, could do, couldn't we? They've got a patio terrace. I don't know if that's attached to the hotel or the bar, but
Yeah.
So, fantastic lunch actually, nice little find that. And now we're onwards a little bit further towards the Trossachs.
here we are. This is Loch Lomond and the Trossachs. What is that? Oh, it's a water pumping.
Oh, yeah. It's like watching the parting of the Red Sea with you going up ahead. No one's doing it for me. Joke.
My arm's getting tired thanking people.
Yeah. It's a hard life. It's busy, isn't it?
Isn't it? I mean, these are people just commuting to work, and some of them, aren't they? So
Yeah,
we
must be.
must be a thoroughfare. We're going towards Glasgow. Okay, driving standards are not particularly high here. There are many people just wafting into my van.
He saw you, didn't he? Move.